Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother MFC-L2820DW or MFC-L2820DWXL printer step by step from unboxing to Wi-Fi connection, fax setup, and software installation. If you just bought this printer, don't worry. Follow this guide carefully and your printer will be ready in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and check components. According to the quick setup guide, inside the box, you should find toner cartridge and drum unit assembly, toner cartridge replacement, XL model only, save for later use, AC power cord, quick setup guide, product safety guide. Remove all protective tape and plastic film from the printer. Important, before plugging in the power cord, locate the serial number label on the back or side of the printer. Record it for warranty and registration. Step 2. Open the front cover of the printer. Remove the toner and drum assembly from packaging. Remove the orange protective part. Gently shake the toner left and right. Insert the assembly firmly into the machine. Close the front cover. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Step 3. Pull out the paper tray completely. Adjust the paper guides. Load letter or A4 paper. Do not exceed the maximum fill mark. Push the tray back into the printer. Ensure the paper is aligned properly to avoid paper jams. Step 4. Plug the AC power cord into the back of the printer. Connect it to a wall outlet. Turn on the printer. The machine will begin initializing. Step 5. Select language if required. For LCD models, press Menu, select Initial Setup, select Local Language, choose your language, press OK, press Stop, Exit. Your basic machine setup is now complete. Step 6. If you plan to use fax, connect the telephone line cord to the port labeled Line. Connect the other end to a wall jack. If you are not using fax, skip this step. Step 7. If using fax, configure A. Set date and time. Press Menu 0, 1, 1, enter the date, choose 12H or 24-hour clock, enter time, press OK, and B. Set station ID. Press Menu 0, 2, enter your fax number, enter your name. If not using fax, move to the next step. Step 8. Automatic Wi-Fi setup. Press Menu, select Network, select Wi-Fi, select Find Network, choose your Wi-Fi name, enter Wi-Fi password, press OK. When successful, the display will show Connected. Step 9. Manual wireless setup. If connection fails, restart your router, restart your printer, repeat setup. You can also manually enter network name, network key, password. If still unsuccessful, visit support.brother.com. Step 10. On your computer or laptop, visit setup.brother.com. Download the full driver package. Run the installer, follow on-screen instructions, select your connection type, Wi-Fi or USB, complete installation. Once done, you can print and scan. Important, change default admin password. On the back of the printer, you'll find the default admin password labeled PWD. For security reasons, change this password immediately to prevent unauthorized access. This is very important if your printer is connected to a network. Troubleshooting tips. If you cannot connect, restart your router, restart your printer, disconnect USB cable if switching connection type, reinstall drivers, visit support.brother.com. Setup complete. Your Brother MFC-L2820DW or XL printer is now ready to print, scan, copy, and fax. You're all set. If you face any issues during setup, don't worry. Contact printer support. Our support team is available to help you with fast and reliable assistance. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.